Let's make the easiest and cheesiest microwave pizza for kids. Smush a single biscuit dough into your mug and microwave for 30 seconds. This ensures you're not going to have a soggy pizza. Now add your sauce, cheese, and pep and put in the microwave for 1 more minute. This is optional, but I like to garnish with some parsley and Parmesan cheese. Remove from the side and you're done.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was very good. We're going to do the whole thing one more time. Follow my step.
All you need is a paper bag to make popcorn. Add a teaspoon of oil to a half a cup of kernels. Salt. I'm also going to add white cheddar seasoning. Mix it up. Add it to your paper bag. We're going to fold it twice. And put it in the microwave for up to 2 minutes. You can hear it popping. It's done. Amazing.
Guys, you're gonna love this recipe. All you need are 4 ingredients, a bowl, a spatula, and a microwave. No candy thermometer involved whatsoever. So place all the ingredients in a bowl and microwave for 8 minutes. Depending on the power of your microwave, this can take longer to cook, or it may take less time, so keep an eye on it. For your reference, my microwave has a power of 800 watts. You want to check and stir every 1 to 2 minutes. This will bubble up and can double in size, so use a large bowl. What you're looking for is a mixture that's slightly darker in color and a bubbling surface.
Microwave cheese chips are going to have your taste buds so erect. You just take some natural cheddar cheese, add it to a parchment lined plate, salt it so it doesn't get all greasy, microwave for like 2 minutes, and yo, you can even add some hot sauce. Wait for that crunch though. Ah, these are so good. Hit that follow button for more super easy recipes.
Welcome back to After School Snacks Part 12. Today we're making a vanilla mug cake. In this recipe, I only used an egg white because I found a whole egg had too overpowering of a flavor. After you add in your wet ingredients to your butter and sugar, it's okay if it clumps up, just add in your flour and it'll all come together. Give it a stir until it comes together in a smooth batter, and this is optional, but I highly recommend adding an Oreo to the center of the batter before you microwave it. For how quick, easy, and delicious this has gotta be one of my favorite after-school snacks. Plus the Oreo in the center, it's so good. And even if you're not good at baking, I highly recommend this. Enjoy!
This banana bread mug cake is so good. One very ripe banana. Peel, banana, peel, peel, banana. I'm kind of gonna mash this up first. By the way, I'm using a fork. 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm using almond flour. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of milk. 1 tablespoon of oil. A pinch of salt. And a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, stir all that up. Now this is optional, but you can also add some chopped pecans or some mini chocolate chips. Now microwave for about 80 seconds. It's perfect. Let's see how it is. Oh my God.
7 days of healthy snacks.
Rule number 1 is that you gotta have fun. But baby, when you're done.
This quiche Lorraine in a mug is so easy and makes a perfect snack or a quick breakfast. Start by adding your egg to a microwave-safe mug, followed by 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of cream. Mix that all together well with a small whisk or a fork. Then once the egg is well beaten and combined with the milk and cream, add a 1/4 cup of all-purpose or plain flour and mix again until you have a smooth batter. From here, add a pinch or 2 each of salt and pepper, plus any additional seasonings you'd like if just salt and pepper sounds a bit too bland for your taste. Next, add sliced bacon or ham, followed by about 3 tablespoons of grated cheese. The type of cheese isn't super important, but I'd recommend something like Gruyere or sharp cheddar. And after you've mixed the cheese in, top the quiche with a few extra pieces of bacon and some sliced green onion before microwaving on high heat for 2 minutes and 10 seconds. And there you have it, a tasty single-serving snack in under 5 minutes.
Let's make some easy 4-ingredient cinnamon rolls. In a bowl, add in 1/2 cup Kodiak cake mix, 1/3 cup Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar-free syrup. Mix it all together and eventually it'll form a dough like this. Place it onto a piece of parchment paper and roll it out into an even rectangle. And top with another tablespoon of sugar-free syrup and some cinnamon. Roll it up into a log and cut into 4 equal pieces. And microwave for 1 minute 20 seconds to 1 minute 40 seconds. And add some icing, which is just powdered sugar and some milk.
Easiest nachos you've ever made. Some chips to the plate. This is all made possible with Good Food for Good's taco sauce. Add as much cheese as you like and put that in the microwave for 1 minute.
De harina de almendras, una cucharada de chocolate en polvo, un huevo fresco, una cucharada de mantequilla y una pizca de polvo de hornear. Debo decirte que la mantequilla tiene que estar a temperatura ambiente para que pueda integrarse fácilmente a la mezcla. Si no está así, espera un momento y verás qué fácil la podrás homogeneizar. Y para que la dona no se desmorone, el molde tiene mucho que ver, así es que yo voy a utilizar estos moldes de silicón. Vertemos la mezcla Vertemos la mezcla en el molde, teniendo el cuidado de no llenar el centro para que sea mucho más fácil después desmoldarlos. Y vamos a llevarlos durante 3 minutos al microondas. Y ya están, sí, solo en 3 minutos al microondas y nuestras donas están hechas. Aquí está una receta fácil y práctica para que puedas realizar en casa y los niños sé que les va a gustar mucho. Disfruten. Yum yum.